Friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, as you guys saw in the title, we are going to be doing some quizzes from BTS. If you guys don't know what quizzes, it's a really cool app. Like every single subject, every single lesson, if you are in like in standard, and if you want like the first lesson, if you are in first standard, if you want the first lesson, how to write ABC, from that to that, like anything, like every single thing quizzes has like quiz. So you can yourself make an own quiz which is publicly, everybody can do. Like some of the, a lot of armies have done BTS quizzes. So let's just see, let's just do about 5 quizzes in this video. I pretty much know everything about BTS, not to do their privacy. I completely respect their privacy, and I just I'm doing this for fun. How far I am a good army. That doesn't mean that if you are an army you have to know everything. So I'm just having a little fun with quizzes. Let's just say that. Let's just get started now. All right, so now which one shall we choose? Like every single quiz has like a special one, so we'll do for the first 10 questions or something like that. Oh, Sugar, so cute. Okay, let's just go. I'm not going to challenge any friends, and you can even share this link with your friends. You could be like a presenter, or you could just control, and you could be like, I'll tell you that later. Who is the lead? Of course, it's Namjoon. Oh, that's so easy. I'm in the 4th place. I want to get to the first place though. Alright, for the first one, it's not bad, I guess. Jungkook, who sang Euphoria? I love that song so much. One of my favorites of Jungkook. Let's see the one. Who has Bang Headbang 3D? Okay, he is the CEO of creator. Can we say creator of videos though? What's wrong? I don't know why the submit button isn't coming. Okay, well, whatever. It won't get submitted on its own, so I just. I didn't see that. Okay, we got it correct. Okay, that's not bad at all. Yeah. So who is in the dance? Then of course, like everybody is in the dance line. I guess they are. Okay, RM is a rapper. I know that, but I thought that the dance. Everybody do dance, right? So yeah, I just don't know about that. Who is there in this? Jungkook, Cookie, Jungkookie. How cute, huh? I don't know how 7 beautiful. I just don't know what to say. Okay, let's go to the next question. Who plays Hansung in Hwaring? Have you seen the Hwaring movie? It's Taeyang, of course. Taeyangi is a very cute and adorable actor in that, but at the ending, I just don't know. It's big hit. Who is the BTS labels company? So yeah. Oh, I'm in the first place. Wow, I hope I could, go with the first place till the end. Who is in the Hyung line? I don't know why I'm not able to pronounce it. It's Hoseok, J-Hope, Namjoon, Jin, and Yoongi. In this, yeah, there we go. In the Mangne line, we have Jungkook, Jimin, and Taeyangi. Okay, by the way, I'm an OT7. I love everybody equally. I don't have like a bias or wrecker, whatever. Now, who's in the Mangne line? Oh, that's easy, right? Jungkook, Taeyang. What Jungkook, Taeyang, and Taeyang? Okay. Jin is also like a cute little Mangne, but whatever. Oh, I have 7,000 points. Not bad. Who's in the vocal line? I'm not sure about this. I think Jin. Maybe. I'm not saying Yoongi because he's a rapper, right? In the group. So we have a redemption question. Let's see. Okay, I only have one, right? So who is in the dance line? So it's Jungkook, Taeyang, Jimin, and J-Hope, not RM, because even J-Hope is a rapper, right? I can't understand that particular point. The end, and yeah, I got 100%. I don't know how I got 100%. Maybe I should get about 90%. Well, whatever. That's pretty good for the first try. I really love them so much. And yeah, now let's find a new quiz. The second quiz that we're gonna do. And first, in the first quiz out of 23 people, I got to the first stage, which is completely not bad at all. So let's go to search and put BTS, of course. I'll take like a really random one. I'm gonna scroll like this and I'm gonna choose one, and that quiz I'm gonna do. Okay, so yeah, this is this. Okay, it's 21 questions. Wow. And these people who create these quizzes are just amazing, you guys. I mean, thank you for your hard work. I mean, you are just amazing, right? So let's just see what's this. Who is the leader? Oh, why are the questions like so simple? Like you can put like the iconic lines like in fires, man. Yeah. I mean, that's so funny and cute. I just don't know why. Okay, it's J-Hope and Suga. So it's J-Hope and Suga, of course, right? Oh my God! It's again. Okay, come on. Oh, come on. Are you even serious? Where is the submit button? Come on. Well, yeah. Did you see that? Jungkook plus V. Where is Jungkook plus V? That's J-Hope and Suga, right? I don't know. It's Soap. Who breaks? Okay, it's Namjoon. Of course, we can see that. God of destruction. But he's so cute. I mean, I think it is. Who's always Shook? We said Jungkook, right? So I think Jungkookie. I don't know. Yeah, that's correct, right? Just next question. Who is this? It's Hobby, J-Hobby. You're my hope, I'm your home. I am not J-Hope, but I love J-Hope. Whatever. I don't want to use the power up, but let's just see. Okay. Who's an alien? V, of course. Have you guys saw the Friends song by Jimin and V? It's so adorable. So you guys must check that out. And Jungkook is the youngest. As you guys would be like a total army after seeing this video, because like literally all the questions, but you gotta just see the iconic lines, okay? So what is the company of BTS is with? It's Big Hit Entertainment. Let's go to the next one. It's who are the rappers? Namjoon, Jim, no. Suga, Namjoon and J-Hope. Yeah. So I think I got this question 2 times, but yeah. Who is this Shimishi? Oh, how cute! He looks like Ariel, The hair, I mean, he's adorable. And Ali London, no need to say. I mean, we need some space for Jimin. Jimin wants to have, his personal space. I just don't know. It's Dance Monster, Rap Monster. Namjoon doesn't, like being called Dance Monster. What am I talking? They say Jungkook and V. I don't know. I really don't know, you guys. But how is there Jungkook and V? There is Suga and J-Hope, which is Soap, right? I don't know about that. Maybe there is a long question in that. Okay, who is this? It's Suga. How cute! Tell me out. Let's go to the next one. I mean, who's this? It's obviously Worldwide Handsome, Jin, Worldwide Cutie, whatever we can say. I mean, he's just what everything. He's adorable, he's cute, and etc. Again, let's see. In fires, man. Oh, we got this question. I just told that you could put questions like this, but yeah, that is so easy and adorable and cute, and I'm just happy with doing BTS quiz. There are every single, and not only BTS quiz, we have quizzes for slime or whatever you want, you guys. So this is Namjoon. How cute! But he doesn't like saying that, but whatever. Kim Taeyong V. Oh, I didn't click Namjoon. No, I just said right. Okay, whatever. Oh no! I just got. Well, whatever. Jin is the oldest, but he looks like the youngest, and Jungkook is the youngest, and he still looks like the youngest and our little bunny. Let's see. Yeah. What? Are you guys so serious? Just now, I swear I didn't do this quiz before, and the questions will probably be, shifted. But still, I swear I didn't do this quiz before, and whatever I'm saying is literally coming, you guys. Okay, connection between armies, BTS, and whatever. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's see. Who is the leader? Simplest question is Namjoon. Okay. They say Jin as the mother of the group, but he doesn't like saying that. If you guys saw in one of like the fan made, he said like he doesn't like it, So yeah, it's V. I did click V, alright. But all done. I hope we are in the first. Wow, you guys! Out of 16 people, we got in the first place, and this time also I probably got in the 19th place. But still, that is amazingly, adorably cute quiz. Let's do one more and end this video. I mean, it's already 9 minutes, and I just felt like a second seeing BTS. And whatever. Let's just go. Which one shall we do? We'll do something related to army, BTS army. Yeah, we have a name called as BTS army, and there are 590 plays, which is very good. I mean, armies. I just don't know. We don't know who you are. I don't know who I am, but you don't know who I am. But we just have a connection, and that is why we are called as BTS into armies. BTS army. I love you guys so much. It's Jimmy Shi. Oh, how cute is that pig? I'm dying, you guys. I mean, in every single video I've put, you guys, I mean, I wouldn't have been like the weirdest person in the whole world. After I see videos, I can control myself. So I'm sorry about that. Yes. Okay, it's stuck again. It's stuck again. Why do you want to do this to me? Come on. Come on. Well, fine. Okay, I got it. Let's just put, yay! V and Kim Taeyang. I mean, the short name for V is, Kim Taeyang is V. Adam and Kim Namjoon. Let's get the next one. Who is this? Oh, it's like okay, Jungho, Sok, Baby Jiho. They're kind of confusing us, right? We have to, choose all the names. Like, they could have even put Hobie or that is adorable. I mean, they're putting like the baby pics of all the members, which is so cute. Who did BTS debut? June 13. Obvious question, you guys. How can we not know this? Come on. How old is Jin? Like right now, I mean, I don't think they made the quiz. He's 31, I guess. Yeah. 27, but he's 30. He's 31, but he's still a baby in army's minds. I mean, he's still like an youngest person in the whole world. It's Jungkook. How can anybody not fight this? Like, if you show this to any person in the world, they will definitely fight. Like, trust me. I mean, BTS armies or whatever it is. So it's Minyoongi, Suga, and that's it. I mean, I don't know if I'm that fast as you guys, but okay. I think I have to say he's 24. Oh, he's 25. I mean, I probably don't know like the perfect ages of everybody. So yeah, I'm really sorry about that. So he's 25. I mean, I think they just made this quiz a lot before, but yeah. Okay, it's the end, and this time I got 100%. I mean, I can't believe this. I cannot believe this. I really cannot believe this. Well, yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I mean, it's the redemption question, I just put it correct, so they just said it is correct. But Jin is 31 years old, isn't he? Comment down below his age, you guys. If you guys know, definitely you guys will know. I know that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more videos, interesting quizzes videos, I mean, I'll put the link in the description. You could go and play a lot of interesting quizzes games, like any game you ever want. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.